Hello, welcome back to another video. I am Deaunnajonae, if you did not know. And a lot of y'all probably don't know who I am because I have not been making content. So anyway, we're doing some hair content because that is what I do. I do hair. Now this is what my hair looks like, okay? It's been washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned, and blow dried. This is its blowed out state to where you can run your fingers through it. You know what I'm saying? I do have some dead ends. I still have heat damage and all those things. The heat damage is up here. Of course you can't see it because my hair is not wet. But in my last video, I talk about my heat damage. But anyways, I even experimented with this little piece of hair right here to see how short my hair would be if I cut it all off, all the heat damage parts, and it would be like this short. So we're gonna tuck that back in. Anyways, today's video is about this inspiration photo. So let's do it. Okay, so I cannot talk and try to record this, so let's listen to the voiceover. Here are some of the things I use. Brazilian deep twist crochet hair. I have some braiding hair as well. And I'm going to prep all of this up on my Linda Marie braiding rack, as you can see right here. I started out by parting my hair down the middle so that I can have even sides of my head when I begin to part out the braids. This is the gel that I am using. I feel like because of this gel, I had a really nice defined look. Okay, so here you are going to see me mapping my hair out, trying to see exactly how I'm going to pre-part my hair. And I quickly realized that pre-parting was going to be the hardest thing that I could do. My arms were burning and I could barely get my parts correctly, and I was just sick of it. So here I am trying to keep the part section off and twist, and it just looked a mess. And I wanted to give up, so I was like, let me just start braiding. So here I am. I just went ahead and started braiding off camera because I was really trying to figure out, is it all going to be worth it or not? So I'm going to do a couple of braids here on camera, and then I will be done with the style. Now, I do not recommend doing this style if you are a beginner braider. I mean, if you want to, go for it, but you do have to kind of braid kind of like going upside down. And so right here you'll see me kind of positioning my hand so that I can braid going towards the front of my face, and then I'm going to curve the braid around towards the back. And while doing this, you're also feeding in hair. Now, because my hair is already long and thick, I don't feed in hair until I get a good ways down. And plus, I really have to get my grip right before I can actually feed that hair in, because this is very challenging to do. So if you were to do this style on yourself, make sure your braiding hair is as small as the section that you are doing in your head. Like, you don't want to be feeding in hair that is super thick and your part is already small. So make sure that braiding hair is, you know, equivalent to the size of hair that you are braiding. So right here, you're going to see me begin to add in the curly pieces. I start by braiding down a little bit, and then I pull a piece of it out and then continue braiding down. I'm holding it in my mouth because I didn't have a clip, but y'all can definitely use a clip. I'm officially done. I have not put it in a little ball yet because it's very tight, and putting it in a ball right now is just not it. Hold on. Give y'all a little look. Okay. Y'all get the idea. I just kind of did it a little sloppy because, like I said, it is tight, honey. Anyways, how did I do? Y'all, I ran out of storage and I was struggling to record anyway, but here we go.